So yeah, here's this morning's victim. She kind of looks like my daughter's car. Same, alles actually. Um, I just checked this. Actually, this is mine. I just checked that one in my car. Starts up perfectly, idles perfectly. No problem with the ECU. Alles op my car is my factory man, so I know there's no issues. So the ECU works, but here's a life lesson I gotta teach you old school mechanics now. Ek is old school, but nie old school nie. But 13 NEs, a 13 NE ECU does not take a small coil. It takes the big old spec Astra coil, those ones. It takes that coil. Otherwise, you're just frying components on the car if you don't change the coil. It needs a morsel lot of resistance, because that pushes resistance out. So you need a much longer and not a pirate coil. The OEM ones will work still. My car's got an OEM coil on. It will start on my car. But these aftermarkets, it's just gemosh when it comes to changing an ECU.